Hi, this is Michael Nelson, Operations Director of FabLab El Paso, a 501c3 nonprofit makerspace and STEM lab in El Paso, Texas. In 2020, we were contracted by the new Children's Museum and Science Center, La Nube, which is Spanish for the cloud, to build a 1/32nd scale architectural model of the feature attraction of the museum, the Anything's Possible climbing structure. For months, lead engineer Adam Boya combed through the architectural and designer's files to recreate the model in digital fabrication file formats. We also created a transportation case to house the model while it travels from site to site as the museum drums up support and enthusiasm for its grand opening next year in 2023. The model features removable walls that allow the viewer to get up close and see all the small details we painstakingly added to the model. We even went so far as to 3D scan children from our community to make miniature figurines that interact with the different elements of the model. We also fabricated a display podium to be used to safely house the fragile model while it's on display at different libraries and community centers this summer. All in all, this was an amazing opportunity for us to display our full range of fabrication capabilities from 3D modeling, 3D printing and SLA and FDM formats, CNC machining and laser cutting, and traditional model making techniques. This is also an amazing opportunity for us to have a lasting impact on future generations of El Paso children to dream big and remember that anything is possible. To learn more about the project and see more behind the scenes process shots, feel free to check out our YouTube channel and our Make Project documentation site.